Korean? Hoy!
Tagalog? Mabait, wapo, mahusay.
Thank you, Mama.
1/3. Can you say about this?
Mabait, guwapo. Kita nyo naman, no? O, di ba?
Right, let's go.
Mama Jo.
Mama Jo.
Mama Jo?
Yes.
Who's Mama Jo?
Mama Jo. Where's Mama Jo? Kuya Alain. Kuya Alain. Let's go. And of course, our executive producer, Jisoo.
Hi, Jisoo.
Yo. Mama Jo, what can you say about Jisoo?
Korean? Hoy!
Tagalog.
Mabait, wapo, mahusay.
Thank you, Mama Jo.
1/3. Or,
Program manager, sir.
Hey, Jisoo.
How about you, sir? What can you say about Jisoo? Tagalog. More.
Tagalog?
Marami.
Dedicated. Tagalog. Super dedicated ni Jisoo. You are dedicated to your craft. What can you say about this?
Mabait, guwapo. Kita nyo naman, no? O, di ba?
Alright, thank you so much po. Ayan, Jisoo.
Kay Vanessa daw.
Let's go to Vanessa. Yasi. Me or Jisoo? Oh. Yeah. Oh, why did you go there?
마지막.
Hi, hello. 전장 가시. Nice meeting you. Alright, let's go.
And I would go Palawan, Coron, El Nido. Once.
On time po siya.
Yes, yun, maganda. Totoo yun.
Tapos, lagi po siyang handa pagdating sa set.